Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Smart TV. Thank you guys for tuning in today. As you can see, I'm going to be doing mukbang, rice and beans mukbang with chicken stew. So guys, let's dig in. Before I even start the video, I've already started eating. Because this morning I'm not eating. I'm not after food. I'm so hungry. The food is very delicious. I made it myself. Ah, today we have a little bit of sun, but the sun is deceiving. You think there is no cold. If you go outside, there is cold. Just went outside after cooking this food. I went outside to go and buy Africa things. The woman that is bringing Africa things, she came to our house today. She came to our house today, so I have to go outside to. Sorry, I have to go outside to go and buy. I bought fresh pepper. I bought garri, plantain, and fish. These are the things I don't have at home. That's what I buy. Oh. After I got inside, I thought I will not do this more by but as you can see, even before I click the video, I already start eating. But I could not wait to arrange this space. Very grateful. I don't think I buy the pullover. It's hot, but it's not hot anyway. The sun is just shining. Oh my god. I'm so hungry. I can eat more than this. So I don't want to try. Okay. It has not got eat rice and beans. Very, very long today. Let me make rice and beans and enjoy myself. This rice and beans, I will still eat it at night. I will eat it for 3 days because I like rice and beans. I'll be eating it morning, afternoon, night, evening until the rice and beans and the stew is finished. Without that, I'm not going to rest. This is not oil beans, so you can eat it the way you want. But oil beans, you can eat it the way you want to. I'm just gonna purge. But white beans, it's very difficult for you to do that kind of stuff. Sorry, I'm eating. I'm talking about that. It's unfair. Sorry, guys. Hey, 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 hey. There's one thing I saw on YouTube. This guy just castigating this woman if it was. I thought the video should make about a divorce. And the woman want to make for the prank that I made before. If they were hearing the prank, I saw one woman doing that video that the prank was not good. That the way she did the prank was suspicious. That made the man not to forgive her. The only comment I just tell her that she just please, you just give the man time because the man is trying to process many things. Okay, men think different way. Or maybe she has not done that kind of thing in her parenthood or her husband. So suddenly she just bring the prank. After the prank looks so real. Because the name she mentioned and the thing she was talking about in the video, it looks real. But I don't think if you really trust your wife, then that before man you have to work on trust. It's very important. Because if you trust your wife, if she wants to tell you, honey, I'm joking, you have to believe her. I feel you're joking because there is trust. When there is no trust, you'll be doubting. Maybe it's true, or maybe it's not. I'm just trying to say that the woman that was like, she don't have to do that kind of thing. The prank is so expensive. The joke is too much. You don't do that. There's nothing you cannot do to test somebody's faith. Like me, I was doing like that. But not the person I'm really with. If you really trust me. Okay? If you trust me, if I tell you, and after the video I tell you, babe, it's a lie. I was just talking. And it's television. You have to believe me. Sitting with the taxi driver. Don't make any sense. You don't have to cheat with taxi driver. I know she was joking. I don't look at somebody that will do such thing. I'm not siding her, but women, we have to fight for ourselves. She was just joking. It's a prank and it should be prank. We should not be saying what we don't know here. So we saw it as prank. We discuss it as prank. We leave it as prank. That's just the best way. Other people just celebrating and innocent. It's their own way. But me, I see it as prank. I'm talking about it as prank. And we don't need to be talking. She did that. And she said she have apologized. She just give the man time to process. Like, I know the man will not leave her. But she's just be very careful. Even I like what she said before she started the video. She said something about I don't want anybody who start testing her, sympathizing with her, or tell her what to do. She just saying in case. Yeah. I like that boldness. I like the spirit. So I think it's better that way. Because he did it. Oh fine. But I don't know why Nigerian people find most things difficult. If it is another American people now, or white, they will not take it as anything. They just don't since it's in television, it's on camera, and she's joking. Because there is no way your wife will on camera after confessing the thing that she did. It's not possible on earth. Because if there is evidence and everything she did was true, and she come on camera, that means she castigate herself. And remember his family, and put the family into shame. There is no way a woman will do something. I'm a woman. I'm on camera. I start telling my husband, this is what I did. And they lie. So if it was what you did was a prank, another person thinking what she did is not right. The whole cup of garlic, so the whole cup of water. Let me drink water and enjoy the food. But what she did was right. It's a prank. Me, I'm even looking forward to do that kind of prank if it is possible. So let's wait for my banger prank. I finished it. This is my new prank. I finished it. Prank. I even You know, when you finish it, on the village that time they give you leg of chicken. You know how we run it. We chew it. It is very hard. You know? This is how we run it in the village. This is how we do. And you have to clean the table and go and wash the plate before your mommy comes back. Without that, you don't eat night food. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. You can see somehow bent because I did not set the camera well. And the thing is dark. I'm very sorry for that, but the prawn must go on. At last, I finished the rice. I shall talk. I shall do prawn. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate. This is me, Fidelity TV. Support your girl. Support your girl. We are loyal. So, we need your support. Please support me. Don't consider the video dark. It's not my fault. It's the weather's fault. It's my fault because I'm a dark person. Sorry. Thank you guys. Choose.